Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here, founder of the Six Figure Partner Program. And in this video, I want to show you how to build a six-figure side income with me, right? Most people are sick and tired by now of jumping from program to program and going through yet another product. So instead of selling you on another product, I would actually rather literally be in the trenches and work with you and show you exactly step by step and click by click what I'm doing to build a six-figure business online. Now, one of the biggest struggles that I had in building my business and helping others actually build their business is YouTube marketing. Most people aren't willing to do videos like these. And 99% of my income was built off of doing YouTube videos. So every time I tried to duplicate myself on somebody else, what happened is they got apprehensive, they got nervous, and they would either join me in my program and back out, or they would just back out altogether. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to help people not only build the confidence that online business works and help them get their first sale, but be there for them and sort of literally hold their hand every step of the way. So I went through a lot of trial and error, launching different programs, teaching people YouTube marketing, teach people how to fish for themselves. But what I realized is when I first finally had success in my business, somebody was fishing for me until I was able to build enough confidence and really believe that making money online was real and get to the point where I could take the baton and do it myself. And so what I want to do is I want to take a select group of people, and maybe somebody sent you to this video, maybe I sent you to this video, but regardless, I want to literally set up a business with you, a six-figure business all over again, right? I've actually generated a multiple seven-figure business using YouTube, but this time around, I want to start from complete scratch. And I want you to be able to copy me every single click, every single move I make, and not only copy me and my moves, but copy my content. Yes, copy my video content so you can pass it off as your own, so you can start generating hundreds and thousands and even hundreds of thousands of views to your videos and start generating consistent high ticket sales every single day. Listen, I'm actually going to allow you to earn $1,500 per sale. And this process has already been proven. I tested this on a beta group back in April of this year, and the results were absolutely astounding as to how many people were generating results as a result of, copying my content and copying my traffic sources. So every single week, what we're gonna do, first of all, is we're gonna help you set up your business. We're gonna show you how to set up your funnels. I'm gonna be there with you. We're going to show you how to set up my same autoresponder emails that I use. And long gone are the days back in 2010, 2011, 2012, I believe, when you could literally just send an email out and print money and literally copy the guru's emails and watch money just flow into your bank account. That doesn't work anymore. Times have changed. It's all about social media. It's all about video marketing nowadays. And what worked so well back in 2010, I want to repeat that with you in this day and age in 2019 and 2020. So we're not only going to help you set up your business in the first week, but every week thereafter, we're going to allow you to copy my videos, copy my proven strategies, so you can take these videos, upload them to a YouTube channel, and start generating results right out of the gate. I'm gonna show you how I optimize my videos. I'm gonna show you what I put in the title, description, and tags to ensure that you get views predictably, which in turn is going to produce clicks and sales into your offer. What's the offer? Well, I'm actually going to give you the offer. I'm gonna give you everything that I've used in my business to produce results. So essentially, you get to copy my business, you get to partner with me, and you get to walk hand in hand with me, and we're gonna build this thing together. So the idea is the next 6 weeks, of course, week number 1, as I explained, we're gonna set up your business, we're gonna set the foundation, we're gonna set up your YouTube channel, your autoresponder, your funnels. If you don't know what that is, don't worry. We're gonna set the foundation, we're gonna get everything set up with you. And then every week thereafter, we're going to release video content to you. The same proven video content that I use on my very YouTube channel, you're gonna be able to copy and deploy and start generating results with. One of my mentors said, Josh, if you're not generating results, you need to stand on the shoulders of giants. So I want you to be able to stand on my shoulders and leverage my results, my influence, my impact to literally copy me and build your business. So every week thereafter, you're gonna be, I'm gonna be releasing videos. You're gonna be copying these videos. I'm gonna show you how to upload them to your YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you how to differentiate your videos from somebody else that's also a partner in copying my videos. So then everything is unique and different. We're gonna show you exactly how to do that. And then I'm also going to allow you to copy not only my follow-up emails, but broadcast emails that I send out on a weekly basis. So everything that I'm doing in my business to build my business, you guys get a copy. And if you've seen my channel, obviously I have over 53,000 subscribers at the time of the creation of this video. So you know what I've done, you know what I teach works. You've seen me on my channel day in and day out generate thousands and thousands of dollars. And as a result, just a case study that what I teach and what I'm gonna teach you works. Check it out, just today, $6,000, the first day that I released this program to people, and I'm allowing them to literally relicense it and pass off all my content off as their own. So if you wanna be a part of this, then all you need to do is click the link below, have a short conversation with myself. Yes, I'm actually going to be there. And if there's not a link where you can talk to me, there might be a link where you can book a call. And if it's not myself, most likely you're going to be talking to one of my partners. And they're gonna walk you through the process. They're gonna reiterate and explain in detail what it is that I explained here. But we wanna keep this to a core group of people. And what I mean by that is we want people in this group that we can genuinely create results with. People that are willing to put in the 15 to 20 minutes of work that this is going to take every single day. Yes, I said that, 15 to 20 minutes, not a whole lot of work. But every single day you're going to be copying content, downloading it to your computer, uploading it, and then simply copying my emails and all my assets and simply deploying them in your business. So the core of this 6 weeks is to accomplish just that, allow you to inject my business into your business. All the products, all the emails, all the assets will be completely set up for you. And I gotta say, I'm incredibly excited because I did this before in April. It was a great success. We're gonna do this again with a very select group of people, and we wanna see if you're a good fit. So either click the link below. If somebody sent you to this video, then they're gonna have a short chat with you and see if you're a good fit. A lot of you guys, you work full-time jobs. You don't have time to learn a bunch of new skill sets and a bunch of new stuff. That's fine. That's why I built this, is so you could take my hard work, you could take my experience, the years that I spent and the hundreds of thousands of dollars that I spent in growing myself and my business, and I'm gonna literally inject that inside of your business. Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the thing. No one out there is doing this. We're gonna be the first, we're gonna be the few, and we're gonna create a lot of success stories here in 2019 and 2020. So click the link below so we can find out if you're a good fit. Below this video, there might be kind of an iteration or to reiterate what I covered within this video so you can kind of get a summary of what we're doing here. But I think I made it pretty clear as to what we're gonna be doing over the course of the next 6 weeks. We got a private Facebook group that you're gonna have access to. So you're gonna be able to mastermind with people on your same level. You're gonna be able to mastermind with people that have already been through this process. And you get people on your level, above you, below you, and that's really what you need. That's 95% of your success online. But you gotta believe in the process. You gotta believe in me. You gotta know that I'm gonna be there to help you every step of the way. And then eventually, you're gonna be able to fish for yourself. You're gonna grow enough confidence, you're gonna go out there and you're gonna start creating your own content, which is the goal, is to finally get you out there on video. Maybe you don't. Maybe you just wanna copy and deploy what I have and start earning a relatively great income fairly quickly. And if that's you, that's fine too as well. So without further ado, click the link below. I look forward to speaking to you, or again, you might speak to one of my business partners here. But without further ado, I hope you got value from this, and I hope this has been the message that you've been looking for to change your business and change your life. Take care.